Hey, awesome equals users. I just wanted to give you a quick little screencast how to enter your data in for the equals assessment. So here I am in the low incident alternative achievement data spreadsheet, and I have my student called up. I have sample student. If you need a copy to like a master electronic scoring device, that's right here. Every page has one of those. I already went in, I made my copy, and I have it right here. And I put it, this is his 5th grade year. So when I open up the placement test, just takes a minute to load. Go into the second tab for the assessment, and I added something new. Over here on the sides, under the comments, I put different colors. That way you just have to mark the answers that he gets for your year. That way we can kind of see what the pattern is and how that would go. So let's say I have my student and my student gets this one correct and this one correct and this one correct when I give the spring placement. And this is the 5th grade year, so I know that it has to be that green. Okay, so then I'm going to go in here, make that green, make that one green, and the same with this one. Then I'm going to scroll down. Now I'm going to do the data section. And the same sort of thing. The same colors are listed under each subtest. So then we'll be able to see color-wise which grade this student really mastered those skills. All right, thank you. Oh, one more thing I forgot. When you finish the test, don't forget that the last tab shows the suggested starting points. It's the placement guide. Okay, reach out if you have any questions.